Hello folks, this is a perfume bottle that my grandma, great-grandma rather, and probably my grandma used to put their perfume in after they had finished making it. They used to sieve their ingredients through a boiled handkerchief, once the handkerchief was dry of course. Well, on this particular day, my dad gave my mum, it was in 1953, I think, from memory. Oh, yeah, it's written on the bag. 1953, Dad gave his grandmother, my great-grandma, a ballpoint pen. And so she said, oh, grab a paper bag. So I did. And she said, I'll write out that recipe that I've been meaning to give you. So it's a perfume recipe. And this is what she wrote. Eau de Cologne, the 18th of February, 1889. It's probably the year that she made it, or she was born. Shave trunk of a lemon eucalyptus tree and gather wood chippings. Shave 50 lemon skins. Shave 100 orange skins. In separate bottles, cover all of the ingredients with 100 proof alcohol. Put in your pantry for 90 days. Shake every day. On day 30, put a cinnamon stick in with the alcohol and wood chips. Then you need to put the ingredients through a clean handkerchief. Make sure you have boiled the handkerchief 3 times. Add a little of each into a clean bottle. Add that boiled water to each bottle. Put back in the pantry for another 6 days and allow the ingredients to marry. And what she means by that is that to marry makes the oils miscible in the alcohol and for all of the aromas to dance together, like nature in concert, she's written here. Wear on a pendant or a petticoat, because in those days women did not wear perfume on their skin, especially perfume with alcohol in it, because perfume has far more ingredients in it than as if you were making a massage oil, which she often used to do for us. Well, the apple never ever falls too far away from the tree. I still write my perfume formulas, my compounds, on a paper bag as I'm making them. On this particular day, I was making one for my son, a cologne for him, and a gift perfume for one of my lovely friends, Tony Jones, who lives in Nelson's Bay. Anyway, 6 weeks before she got here, I did this. And as you can see, I made it in 2020. I gave them their perfume about 4 or 5 weeks later, blended it with jojoba oil and a little bit of olive oil and no alcohol. But the reason it's still in the cupboard, the main part of the compound, is because I'm trying to test the stability of the perfume and whether or not it'll have a good shelf life to sell it in the marketplace. And I'm about to do this in July, release my perfumes into the marketplace. So a little of the history and the flirting habits that happened with perfume back in my great-grandma's day. Ladies, if they wanted to flirt with a particular man, before they left home would put perfume on their petticoat and on a handkerchief. And if the young lady saw a man that she liked, she'd take a handkerchief out and, have it floating around near her nose while she was chatting to the young man, and then she would drop it so that he would have to pick it up and give it back to her. Now, people believe that in those days, that you shouldn't wear perfume on your skin. And actually, I believe that in this day and age too, unless it's 100% essential oil perfume made to the strict standards of blending. And that'll be covered in my book as well. So they would wear perfume in pendants like these down the bottom here. And this, sorry, very unclear photo is a very old photo of a young lad wearing a cotton bag around his neck, and in that he would have pieces of camphor, either camphor wood or camphor oil, and that would ward off the flu. Some of you who were born in the 1940s and 50s probably also wore these bags to school. I know I did, and I certainly never got the flu or a bad cold when I was a child. Sniffing perfume goes back to BC, since ancient times. The aromas from plants, animals have always known that you should smell plants if you want to feel better, or if you want to feel happy, or if you want to feel more peaceful. You sniff different plants. These days we can do so with essential oils. Inhalations are an amazing way to keep flus and germs and things away, and really great for your skin. So as I said, I'm releasing an online so everyone in the world can enjoy the art of perfume and smell therapy made naturally with essential oils. Excuse me, old age dry throat here. So my Aromatherapy book and my Apprentice Perfumer book are the two books that I'll be giving my students in July when this course is finished being set up and released. And they are two great books, and I'll put the links below if you're interested in them. So I'm getting a website ready for the launch, and I tell you, that's not easy making a website when you're my age. Not easy, I suppose, when you're any age, but I'm not really tech savvy. So this is my front page, and I'm toying with the idea, should I go with this type of theme or another? So if you could give me your opinions in the comment box, is this too old world? Or do you think this kind of front page is fine on my new website? So this is the certificate under one of my past business names, Beauty Pathways Academy, because I had a beauty school for 55 years. Now, I also ran that school out of my hair and beauty salons, and then later on in life I did it online. But then all the online programs changed, and I just couldn't get my head around all these new programs. But I'm slowly getting there and working through it, and hope to have the online perfume course ready for July 2025. The student will be able to put their own name on the certificate, or maybe I'll be doing it. I haven't quite worked that out yet, but this is the certificate that they'll receive, a certificate of achievement. I would really appreciate it if you give me some feedback on my website building and on this story. And if there's anything you want to know about perfume making, natural ones that is, then please email your questions to me. The most important thing about this slide is please like and subscribe. I've just noticed it's 5 a.m. in the morning. My camera was on while I was trying to record this on my other little computer, and I don't know how to delete them. Fragrance. Fragrance is the world of enchantment. And don't forget to flirt, folks. Grab a little hanky and drop it near a man. Make sure it's got your favorite fragrance on it. Have a blessed day. Please give me a like. Please get into that comment section because I'm needing some help. Over and out. Bye.